Hello, my name is Thomas Berry. I teach maintenance and light repair here at Southside High School in Jackson, Tennessee. We are a NATEV certified school and are AYES affiliated. I was asked to make a short presentation today concerning classroom management, shop organization, and also tool room procedures. First, I'd like to talk about classroom management. Student discipline is essential to ensure every student has the opportunity to learn in a safe working environment. Classroom procedures should begin the first day of school and start by handing out your classroom rules and, most importantly, your consequences, of course, for breaking a rule. The key is to follow through with each consequence, being fair and consistent. Having a good administration is also essential to back you on any problems. Keep your students busy. Too much downtime will only result with students misbehaving. Be firm with no exceptions to rules, and later you can loosen up a little as students learn what you expect. Next, I want to discuss shop organization. Keeping a clean, well-organized shop will encourage your students to do the same. It's going to promote professionalism and maintain proper shop safety practices. Assign students with designated work areas, show them what you expect to maintain these areas, and grade them accordingly. Have students sketch the shop layout and number each area as you assign them. The last item today I'd like to discuss is tool organization. Tool organization is critical to ensure that the tools that are supplied by the school system, that we maintain them and make sure they're put back in place. So we'll have them for future use. There's a couple of ways I like to keep up with our tools. One way that has worked for me in the past is just to have a sheet with every student's name, and as they come in, a student will work the tool room and they'll write down the tool they have. And of course, at the end of the class period, the student will come back, check those tools in. The second way, which I've been using for several years now, I found that worked the best, is a number system. When students come into class, I assign each student a number. Say a student's number one would be their safety glass assignment, that'd be their book number, that'd be their seat number, and also be their tool room number. And so during each day we're in the shop, we assign one or two students to work the tool room. So if another student that's working the shop comes to the door, they will ask for a tool. Say if it's a Phillips screwdriver, the person working the tool room will ask that student what his or her number is. If it's number one, the person working the tool room will take number one off the board. They will find a Phillips screwdriver, place number one in place of the Phillips screwdriver, and then hand the Phillips screwdriver to the student. All right, at the end of the class, when I tell everyone it's time to clean up, put your tools away, the tools are returned. The student comes to the door, hands the Phillips screwdriver back to the person working the tool room, and that person working the tool room will take the screwdriver and put it back on the board and remove that guy's number. And so once everybody has their tools in, the person that's working the tool room will look for any numbers left on the tool boards. If there's a number left, then they will come to me and ask which student corresponds to that number, and then we will find that tool. For larger jobs, I'll assign small roll-around toolboxes to each individual group, and of course I will make sure personally that those toolboxes are back in the tool room at the end of the class period. And lastly, while the students are working the tool room, there may be some downtime in between. Have those students clean the tool room and reorganize as needed. This concludes the presentation today on classroom management, tool organization, and shop organization. If you have any questions, please contact me, Thomas Berry, at Southside High School at taberry@jmcss.org. Thank you so much.